Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to use BigCommerce. Let's dive in. First, go to the product option in the side panel. Open it. Now under products, select add. Now, on this page, you can add your products. Type in your product name, write how much stock levels you have. Select your product type. Type in your default price including taxes. To provide the price structure in detail, go to the pricing section by clicking more pricing and input more information. Now choose your brand and select the category in which your product lies. Then, in the description, write information about your product, its features and advantages. You can add images or videos of your product using links, or you can upload them from your local device. In the Files section, you can provide files that the buyers can download after purchasing the product. You can upload a file that tells how to use your product and provide some assets. Write its description. And you can also set the maximum number of downloads. You can also disable the downloads after a time period. You can input your product identifier's information. You can track your inventory if you want to, and add variants to your product. You can also add what the people will see on your storefront. You can also select the purchasability option that shows up. You can add custom information. You can do the SEO too. In the graph sharing, you can choose all the information that you want to be shown. When you are done customizing, click on Save. And you are done. You have successfully added a product. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.